Welcome guys. Let's do Matic technical analysis and price prediction. So please watch this video until end and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Join me on Telegram and Twitter, links are in this video's description. And if you want to get these bonuses, Binance $710 bonus, Pimax $1200 bonus, Bybit $3500 bonus, KuCoin $100 bonus, UB $170 bonus, total bonus $5680, which is absolutely free. Just go to in this video's description or in this video comment section where you can get these links. Click on these links and create your account, and after initial deposit you can get these bonuses. These bonuses are tradable. Just trade with this bonus only, and this is a risk-free strategy. Thanks if you registered with my affiliate link. Thanks in advance. This is 4 hourly Matic USDT 4 hourly chart, and it is here you can see it is in descending triangle. After creating this top at $2.20 price area, it is now at $1.69 price. Here you can see several touches. Here you can see after touching this price pullback, now after touching this price pullback, and here you can see after touching price pullback. This is turning as a support line, and this is turning as a resistance line. Maybe we can see some side that kind of action maybe, and it is a bullish pattern. Once price broke this, in that case our first resistance it have to break is at this 1.90 to $1.93 price area. After that, this will be the target, the beginning of this ascending triangle, and it is at $2.15. A technical target will be this. And if we how to calculate this technical target, just measure this, the length of this area, and here you can see, and after that put it at the bottom. This will be the minimum target. You can say our first target will be this area, $1.93. Second target is $2.07, and third target is $2.21. These are immediate short-term targets, and Matic can hit after breaking this descending triangle, and it can easily hit these targets after that. Let me please show you volume. First of all, the volume is missing. We need strong volume, but unfortunately volume is missing. That is why Matic is in downside, and this is 4 hourly EMA ribbon, and here you can see candles are below from this EMA ribbon. That is a not good sign. Once 4 hourly candle closing about $1.85 price area, in that case definitely it will break this downtrend line, and after that it will hit my targets. These are the targets. Note down these targets. These are 3 targets. Note down these targets. And let me please hide this, and let me please show you RSI and MACD. Here you can see 4 hourly RSI is at 36, and it is bearish, and it is turning towards upside. That is a good sign. Once it cross 50 point, in that case definitely price will go up. Otherwise maybe some sideways action we can see. And this is the MACD, and here you can see towers are very small and red towers, and that is why price is going down. Once that kind of tower comes, green towers, and in that case definitely we have to wait for the crossover and that kind of green towers. After that price will go up. And let me please show you daily chart. This is daily chart, and here you can see this is the top. After that we see a consolidation phase, and after that price hit $1.72, and after that again price hit $1.01, and after that price hit $2.17. But this white line is a trend line, and here you can see after several touches it respects this trend line, and that is a very, very good sign. Maybe price can hit this, and we can assume that kind of action, and I think it can be. In that case our first target in daily chart is $2.16. Once it broke $1.75 price area and closed 1 day candle above $1.75 price area, in that case our target is $2.16. It is our first target, and our second target will be this area, $2.65. And once it broke this area, in that case definitely it will be bullish. And let me please show you some indicators. First of all, the volume is missing, volume is not satisfactory. After that, EMA ribbon. Candles are in between this daily EMA ribbon, and that is a good sign. Once candle closing above $1.80 to $1.85 price area, daily candle closing, after that price will boom, and after that it can hit my target very easily. Until now we have to wait. Until now maybe we can see some sideways action in this chart. And let me please show you RSI. And RSI is at 47. Once it crosses 50, in that case price will go up. And MACD crossover towards downside, and towers are red and green tower, red big towers. In that case, price is going down. Once crossover towards upside and that kind of towers comes, green tower comes, in that case, price definitely will boost. Otherwise, we have to wait. But this area is very, very important. $1.60 to $1.65 price area is very, very important. Maybe price can go down to $1.50, $1.55, and after that price move up. This is the possible scenario, and this is very, very realistic scenario. And let me please show you my most favorite indicator. This is the CPR indicator. Here you can see it is these yellow lines are main CPR indicator support lines, and these lines are at starting from 1.86 to $1.66 price area. These are the main support lines. Once candle closing above $1.90, $1.87, this will turn into a support, and after that first target will be 2.39. This is first bearish monthly target, 2.39, and second target will be this 2.85, and third target will be this. These are three targets for the Matic, and these are monthly CPR based targets. This is my video, guys. I hope you like this. If you like this, then please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon right now, and please share this video with all of your friends. And if you want to get these bonuses, $5,680 bonus, which is absolutely free, Binance $710 bonus, Phemex $1,200 bonus, Bybit $3,500 bonus, KuCoin $100 bonus, Huobi $170 bonus. Just go to in this video's description or in this video's comment section where you can get these links. Click on these links and create your account, and after initial deposit you can grab these bonuses. These bonuses are absolutely free, and these bonuses are tradable. Just trade with these bonuses and put your seed monies away, and just trade with these bonuses and earn free profit. This is zero risk trading strategy. Thanks for the watching, and always keep supporting me. Take care.